Hey queens, what's up? Oh my gosh, I'm super excited for today's video because it's gonna be a curly wig install. Yes, so I love my curly wigs. I love them super long, super thick. So I decided to treat myself and I spent like a guap of money because I wanted my hair like super long and really thick. So this, well, I'm gonna show y'all this picture. Oh, right here. Yeah, so in this picture, this wig was 30 inches, 300 density, and I loved it. Like, it was super thick, super full, very long, super curly. So I was just like reminiscing at this look, and I was like, I want my hair like that again. I decided to try a new vendor, so I tried Tinashe hair, and I saw that they had some high density wigs, super long. About 28 inches was the longest they had. I prefer 30 inches, but I was like, I could do 28 inches, that's fine. I really want to get my hair done for this photo shoot that I'm doing, so I needed the wig super duper quick. So I contacted Tinashe Hair and I was like, hey, I need this wig really quick. How long will it take? And they're like, oh, just, you place your order, let us know, and then we'll, ship it out right away. So I was like, okay, all right, cool. So I placed my order, I let them know, and they were right. They shipped it that same day. I ordered it on Thursday and I got it on Monday. So shout out to them for that shipping. That shipping is awesome. But yeah, so when I got the wig, I was like, this is 28 inches. 28 inches. So the wig, yeah, so I ordered 28 inches and 250 density. So the density, that's something where like you have to like style it, so, and then that's when you'll really see how full it is. And actually you can see like it is pretty thick. So I'm not really tripping on the density, but it's just the length. Like typically 28 inches for me usually goes like all the way to my waist, and I had tried this on and it went to like right here by my boobs, which I'm like, it to me it feels like a 22-24 inch. So I'm like, I don't know if I'm tripping. So but I asked one of my friends and she said no, it does look a little bit shorter. And I measured the hair, and for me it came out about 24 inches. So I was a little disappointed, and I contacted Tinashe Hair and I let them know that I actually wanted to return it, and they were like, oh well, you'll have to ship it back to China, and who knows, and that will take a long time, especially because of COVID and stuff. And I was just like, oh my gosh, like I don't have time for all of that. So what I decided to do is I decided to buy some bundles from Amazon, and I'm just going to sew it onto the wig just so I can get that achieved full long look that I want. So normally I like to show y'all the wig outside the box, but I just like, I had to look at it and then I saw how short it was, and then I thought about exchanging it, but now I'm going to keep it. So this is what it looks like. So I didn't do anything to it. I literally just put it on the mannequin. I did try it on though, but it is really pretty. I don't doubt that. Like, it's really gorgeous. I just wish that it looked, or I wish it was true to length, but we'll see when I install it as well. But I wanted to show y'all what it looks like before I add the extra bundles. So the bundles I decided to get from Amazon because I knew I can get it super quick, and it wasn't expensive at all. So I had to kind of guess by the pictures to see if it would match with this wig. So this is the hair that I found on Amazon. So I just went ahead and ordered 2 bundles of 30 inches. So yeah, so it's pretty nice, and I think it matches pretty well. So this is what it looks like, and then yeah, so yeah, it actually matches perfectly. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and sew that onto the bottom half of the wig, and of course I'll do a little mini tutorial on how I'll do that in the next segment, but I just want to show y'all the kinky curly hair. So this is how it came. So really cute packaging. So the wig, and then it came with like some little rubber bands, which I thought was really cute. It has like a little bow on it. So yeah, so something super cute. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sew both of these bundles into the wig to just make it a little bit more longer and more full. And oh, let me show y'all how the wig came. So it did come in this box. It says Tinashe. And it had this bag on the inside, so a little silk bag with a couple gifts in it. So wig caps, which you always need. Came with a bonnet, like, okay, they know what's up. And I'm digging the gold. What else? Some lashes. It says they're 3D mink. They look pretty nice. And what else? A little Tinashe, I'm guessing, care instructions. Yeah. So just some hair care instructions. Things like that. You want to be a VIP member. So just some information. And then some, what's this called? Elastic strap or band. And an edge scarf. So yeah, so those are the little gifts that it came with. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew on these bundles, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into a wig install. Alright, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get into this wig install. It's already looking fire so far. So this is what it looks like. I already added the extra bundles, so just so you can see how thick it is. And then yeah, let's go ahead and cut my lace first. as you can see, I finished the look and it came out so bomb. I loved how it came out, and this is how full it is. And of course, I'll go ahead and pan down so you can see like how long and where it hits me at in the back. But as you can see, it's like really nice and full. The extra bundles that I purchased mix in really well with this wig. Like you can't even tell like where it stops at. But the wig was really easy to work with. The lace melted in pretty nicely. The parting space is pretty good. You know, I like to cheat a little bit and use my concealer to go back a little bit further. But other than that, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty natural to me. Okay, and then as I mentioned before, this was the 28 inches 250 density. So I believe the Tinashe wig, this is like the length of it. Yeah, so like I said, it went like to my bra strap, which is just a little bit too short for me. But with the extra bundles, now it goes a little bit more, yeah, a little bit more towards my hips. So overall, I am excited with the look, and I'll definitely give Tinashe's customer service an A+. But I would just recommend that if you're really going for a certain look, to double check with them. You can ask them to send you some pictures, you know, do a little bit more research. I kind of skipped that part because I wanted it so quickly, but I definitely recommend doing your due diligence regarding research, checking reviews, checking pictures, things like that, so that way you don't run into the same mistake that I run into. But we're gonna go ahead and end it right here. Thanks so much for joining me, queens, and I will see y'all next time.